I'm 67 years of age and a retired miner. I've been living here with my wife for 30 years. I got arthritis in both my knees and my hands. I've recently undergone a knee replacement. I found it very, very difficult to even climb 2 to 3 stairs. I had to have my bed downstairs, and that's where I slept for about 6 months. And I thought, well, if this is going to be, it's going to be. We got a downstairs toilet, but as far as washing, well, I didn't like my wife bathing me in the kitchen. There's nothing more undignified at that.
And on one occasion, got him upstairs and he got in the bath, but I couldn't get him out. And I was really, really panicking.
So that was the end of that. I couldn't even get in and out the bath. And we were in a position where we couldn't do nothing. We didn't know where to go for any help. And there was nothing more undignified than washing in the kitchen.
If people don't tell you, you haven't got a clue. And all I would have hoped for is that my husband's knee would eventually have gone better. You know, he might have got back up the stairs. But otherwise, we would have just carried on like we were, plodded on.
The stairlift was a big, big plus. Well, I can get upstairs now, go to bed even, you know, I'm going to sleep downstairs now. I can shave in the bathroom, I can get into bed.
It's wonderful for Dennis, but it's wonderful for me. When I've done my ironing, I put it on and I just sends it up. Oh, it's wonderful.
They had to take out the bath, the toilet, wash and basin, everything. The shower unit was put in. Then I asked if there's any chance of a chair. I could sit on it and I could wash my bottom half, my legs, even down to my feet. You know, with it sitting down, it's a lot easier. It's heaven, you know, to be able to do that now.
I can stay down here now. Whereas I used to sit on top of the stairs and say, "You all right then, you ready to come out now?" But now, it's wonderful. I can leave him up there, it's fine.
I get more independence now. I don't want my wife standing over me while I'm showering and washing. And
you know, all these things that they've put in is wonderful, because at the end of the day, you know, I worked in a hospital and I've seen people, they want to go home and the hospital won't let them go home because they haven't got the facilities, and there's no place like your own home.
With all the facilities I've got now, with this chairlift and the shower, I've got my independence back. I can go to any part of the house that I want now. Help is out there, and it's important that the older people must know about it and where to go.
I used to say to Dennis, "Oh, God, Dennis, I can't see you ever getting up the stairs." I said, "I only wish we had a bungalow." But now, this is my bungalow. It's wonderful because he can go where he wants to go.